Hey guys, Josh here. I haven't made a video in a while, and you know what? Today, I'm going to start making videos again. I have recently, within the last couple months, prior to the whole silver apocalypse and shortage due to the obvious coronavirus, I've decided to buy subscription crates, and I'm going to unbox them every month for you guys. And what better way to do it? What better way to make new content than it is for a subscription crate? And I went with Investor Crate. I know there's a bunch of other crate options out there, but I decided Investor Crate was the best option for me. So without further ado, I did partially open this because I had to do a retake. But let's go ahead and see what we get. It looks to be, I don't know if you can see that, but these are 1/10 ounce Incas Indian silver rounds. I don't know why my camera is not focusing on the silver, but there's 1/10 ounce. Let's see here. We got a bunch of silver eagles, and these are going to be like 2020 silver eagles. Yeah, they're 2020 silver eagles. Wow, there's a bunch of them. They give you a decent amount of silver eagles. Good lord. Okay, so we got, yeah, so like I said, I'm going to start making videos monthly, and we're going to talk about just silver, where it's headed, where it's going, what you guys feel like it's going, how I can stack better. And if you guys never heard of Investor Crate, I recommend you guys go over to them and check them out, because like I said, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 silver eagles, and it's always done based off the spot price of that time. So it can vary from 9 silver eagles all the way up to probably 13-ish. No guarantees, of course, per month, because that's just the way it is. And here's a better view of the Incas Indian round. I think it's 1/10. I think there was a high premium the day these were fulfilled. That's just the way it is. They take the premiums on the day of the fulfillment on the 10th, and they will send you the appropriate amount of silver based on that. So 9 ounces plus 2/10. That's not bad. That's not bad for an Investor Crate. You know, I paid $250 for it, and if you factor in maybe 25 a piece, I came out about a little, like 10 bucks less than even, maybe 20 bucks less than even, if you account for shipping and taxes and all that good stuff, and maybe 25 is good for that. So yeah, it came out about even. You know what I mean? So, but I do have a special surprise for you guys today, because this is going to be an extended video. I have a second Investor Crate. Yes, there are 2 Investor Crates. This one just so happens to be a second American Investor Crate. So another $250 Investor Crate. And I imagine this will be roughly the same type of Investor Crate. 2 1/10 ounce Incas Indians again. Yes. We then have more American Silver Eagles. Now, these are 2020 American Silver Eagles from Investor Crate. They go out their way to procure these Investor Crates, and then every month they will package them into a box and send them to you. And this exact same crate again, I got 9 2020 American Silver Eagles, and 2 1/10 ounce silver pieces again. So that makes a grand total of, that's right, 18 American Silver Eagles and 4/10 of an ounce of silver in fractional pieces. Now, we can talk all day about I probably could have got an extra American Silver Eagle for the price of the money I paid, but I think that I got a good deal, and I think that was fair for the price that the spot price for that time period. And you have to remember that the pandemic caused silver and gold to artificially go up higher. The premiums were really, really high during that time period. So these 18 could easily have been 23 or 22, depending on what the stock value is. Not necessarily what the market says, just what how much companies have in stock. Because if you could see today, the spot price is sitting at $17.75 per ounce, and that's just at 4 p.m. on Wednesday, and all that good stuff. But hey, so what? Enough of this. Until next month's Investor Crate. What's going on with me? What happened? Why haven't I made videos in a long time? Like I said, I moved. I got a different job. Things have just happened in my life and changed all of a sudden. I sold my house. I grew a beard and shaved it off, and all that fun stuff. That going through life and life's adventures and meeting new people, and like I said, things just happened. There's really no excuse for it. I was kind of lazy at making videos. Plus, I didn't have any money. I mean, my money was sunk into the house, so it was kind of hard to buy precious metals when I don't have money to buy precious metals with, But what did I do this past month, though, was buy a lot of precious metals. And in this video, I'm gonna group in what I bought over the past month as well. This is gonna be quite a long video, so I hope you guys can bear with me here. I got a 5-ounce Fiji. It's like one of those rounds. It's pretty cool. I like it. This thing is pretty beefy for 5 ounces, right? And just a couple of 1-ounce silver rounds, a silver bar, an Incas Indy. I really like these rounds. If I was gonna pick any round, it's definitely gonna be Incas Indian round. What else did I get? I got 3 of these. The George Washington half dollars. Wow, you guys are in for a treat. I got a lot of silver here to share with you guys. So hopefully, like I said, if you like the video, like and subscribe to the video. We're gonna keep talking, keep moving through all this silver that I bought. And this is just 1 month of silver, because I really like to share my collection with you guys, because you guys are pretty cool. I bought a 2018 S, the PF69 Ultra Cameos for the America the Beautiful quarter series. Now these coins, I'm not a huge fan of graded coins in general. So I know that's some people's niche or some people's expertise, but not mine. So if you see like a coin that you think is super common, which all be fair, all my coins are common, then please let me know. Don't let me know. Tell me I paid too much for it if I ever mention a price. And I got these for about $12 a piece. So I think that's a fair value in my opinion. So yeah, anyway, moving on. What else did I get? I had to get the PF70 Ultra Cameos for 2020, which includes everybody's favorite, the Corona bat. No, the bat itself. What is that? American Samoa fruit bat? Yeah, the American Samoa fruit bat. Everybody likes that one. Yeah, I got that in PF70. I think I paid $70 for that set, which I think is fair price, I suppose. I picked up some World War II pennies, some steel cents in 66 and 65 from NGC, from 43. That's P, obviously, because there's no mint mark. I did, however, pick up... I know you guys are going to make fun of me. You guys are going to laugh at me. You guys are going to think I'm a dummy. But you know what? I saw it, and I went ahead and picked up one of these. One of those emergency issue Philadelphia ones. Sure, I could have not spent $200 on this and put more money into Investor Crate, and I have another 9 of those plus 2 of those. But you know what? I do not care. I wanted one, and I got one. And that's the way it is. as PCGS, obviously, if you guys aren't super into precious metals. Oh man, there's so many things that I have to show you guys. 10-minute video already, good Lord. Okay, well, let's, this is just 1 month, by the way. So yeah, I did spend quite a substantial amount of money. If you guys don't know by now, peace dollars are my favorite coin ever minted. And I will go out of my way to purchase peace dollars. I don't care if they're common dates, not common dates, and all that fun stuff. I probably bought like 20 peace dollars graded, various, just usually NGC or PCGS. Nothing really more than that. And like you'll see, I have like so many. I got 34s, 22s, mostly 22s and 23s. You'll see a 25 in there in various spots. But yeah, I'll see these all over the internet, like on eBay. I used to rail against eBay, not talk to them, not talk to them, not like endorse them. But there's actually some reputable shops on there now after my hiatus, and yeah, I'm kind of enjoying the certain shops on there, because I can get some of these. Like some of these I can get for stupidly good value. Like if you guys aren't familiar, Mbarrcoins sells really great coins, and they have really good selections. And sometimes you can get them for a really good price. Like I'll talk to you about one of these. This one right here. This one. This 65 right here. I think I paid $29 or $30 for it, and it's a $60-ish coin. Just because somebody didn't bid on it. Like somebody decided not to bid on it, and I got it for half off. Like I can easily sell this coin for $40 or $50. Like probably, like confidently sell this coin for $40, $50. And that's the kind of good deals you can get at Mbarrcoins on eBay. That's MBARR coins. And you can find great deals. I bought these separately, but you can find great deals. Like every one of these, Mercury dimes. All kinds of Mercury dimes. 40s, 38s, 45s. Not enough time in the world to show you all those because it's a huge stack of them. And here's just some various ones. I had this from a long time ago, so I'm not going to count this one. But if you guys don't remember this, there's the 2017S. Some of these are 999 fine quarters. Like you'll see, like 2 of these are actually pretty much pure silver quarters, and all that fun stuff. All right, moving on. Had to pick me up a 2020 proof Silver Eagle. I had to get non-silver coins, just like those pennies. I bought a bunch of nickels because that's actually, I think this is actually a key date. This 50D is pretty sure is a key date nickel. Had to pick up those. Got them at a good price. Had to pick up this. I mean, it's not the best coin, but I never had one of these before in this grade, like this good of a grade. And I know that's pretty pathetic, but I'm not loaded like some of these silver YouTubers are around here who can drop $10,000 on Carson City GSAs and then go have them graded for another $800-900. Like I can't do that. Various peace dollars here, just a couple of them. I think there's like what, 6? Yeah, just a couple of them. And some constitutionals. You'll see halves and all that fun stuff. And here's more constitutional. These are all 63s and 64s proofs or mint sets. And yeah, that's pretty much the grand tour of what I got this month. Wow, this video was a long video, 14 minutes. So if you stuck with me, I would like to say thank you. I definitely appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day and watching one of my videos, and commenting, and subscribing. And thank you, Josh Sober, for finally coming back. If you even care to leave comments like that, I'd be very much appreciative. Lets me know you guys are actually watching my videos. But there's a lot here, okay? I don't even know how much this is. And you just saw me add 18 and almost a half ounces in like, what, 3 minutes and had a bunch of these laying out. This is probably 40 ounces out of this month, 30 ounces out of this month, somewhere around there. I don't know, 7, 14, 21. This actually might be around 30 ounces, 40 ounces of silver, just added out of the blue. Yeah, I'd like to say thanks, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. I'm going to have a new video posted up this weekend. I should be getting another investor crate because they were back ordered, remember? And they finally fulfilled them. I should be getting another one. I should be getting some more of Morgans as well. I should be getting some proof-like Morgans and graded, of course, and a couple more peace dollars for us to talk about. I know that was kind of quick, but like I said, thanks for sticking by me. And you guys, I have not been gone from YouTube to where I just like turn my channel off and stop commenting and reading stuff. I still read every comment, every nasty comment. I still read every polite comment. I'll still read. I'll even like randomly thumbs up comments just because. But I'm here now, and I will be talking to you guys more. So if you, like I said, if you stuck by the video so long, for this long, and like I say, thanks again, and make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for next time. Josh Silver out.